This is the Air Tally F7. Inflates tires. We're going to show you how to use it and what it's about. When you start your car, you get all the lights, and over there it's telling you that one of the tires needs air. In daylight, easy to see the nice bright light. As pressing on, we have 29 psi set for 36 psi. A short press starts the pump. Single digit reading 30 to 36. It shuts off and we are fully pressured at 36 psi. Removing is simple as pulling and pulling out and replacing your cap. You need a lightweight pump up a bicycle. This is a pump that is about 2 by 6 inches maximum with a carrying case and all the attachments for all your blowable needs. Simply place onto the bike, turn it on, find the right pressure for you, raise it up to 40 plus pounds and hit plus and hit the power button. Within a couple of seconds, we are pumped up and off. Pressing the light button once gives a solid light for protection at nighttime as it shines, and again for SOS signal. And again to the off position. To shut the unit down is simply long press on the on button and the unit shuts down. This is a 7.4 volt 5200 milliamp system. Over here we have a special button. We go over to the bicycle. The pump is in the off position as we place on the stem and lock down. When pressing, it will release the pressure of the tire. The unit should be in the on position. As you can see, the pressure dropping down. We're going to increase our tire pressure to 40 pounds and pump away. We are on car, bar, KPA, PSI, the recycle button, to the bicycle, basketball, custom, back to car, motorcycle, bicycle, and pump. The unit has a memory of where it should be a default of a bicycle tire at 45 psi. When all done, simply hit the off button. Everything shuts down for the next time of use. So if you're looking for a portable, nice compact size with the bicycle, pump, nozzle, cable instructions, you have the Air Tally F7 system. Enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for in a tire inflator of your needs. Bicycle, automobiles, and more.